What's up, YouTube? My name is Shandrix Plays, aka Shandrix X Shandrix YT, and welcome back with another vlog. So this is our second vlog. So we're going at the swimming pool again. But I'm not gonna use this phone. I don't want to get break again. My audio is broken. That's why I can't hear it. What I'm saying. So it's pretty great here. Oh guys, I can't film in the full. So bad. Also I need the underwater and waterproof camera so I can come. But my phone. RIP. I'm using my phone again. Look, see? Using my phone. So it's 9:42 a.m. here, and it's pretty. I wake up 8 o'clock. I mean 8:40 a.m. I'm outside. I'm at the balcony. So just want to sit here. So let's talk about the new series called Plane Crash. So guys, I need a actor, like, cause I'm gonna film. I'm the cameraman, cause I have some good edit apps. So I don't know what do I choose. I think I'm gonna make a server so I can like no, it's just a world or realm. We're gonna make the plane crash. Look at the view, guys. Look at the view. Yeah, there. The view. There's the pool. You see the pool. I don't know if you see the pool, but there's the pool. See? There's the pool. There. But someone is swimming. I don't want to notice them that I am recording. So they will think that I'm So guys, I think we have a we're gonna start the plane crash. I need some actors, so comment if you have real or you have a server so I can join. We can film the plane crash, because I'm a good builder too. So guys, comment down below and kick that subscribe button and smash that like button down below, and make sure to check out my friend's video. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.